Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. And to my old subscriber, thank you for always tuning in. Ramadan Kareem to all my Muslim subscribers and audience. I wish you God's sustenance in these holy months and may the blessings of the holy months be with you and your family. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to make salad cream. In the last one, I made mayonnaise, and for this I'm going to be making salad cream using mayonnaise as the base, and as a plus I'm going to be taking us to how to make icing sugar. Yes, I said it's icing sugar. So without further ado, let's jump right into the process. Basically, these are things I'll be needing for this preparation: the mixer, which is actually an egg beater but I use it as a mixer; the evaporated milk, I'm using Olandia evaporated milk; the mayonnaise we made from the last episode, this is 3 days after; and then the granulated sugar I'm going to be processing into icing sugar. All that is needed is to blend. For the industrial pack, cornstarch is usually added, but for this I'm just going to be blending it so that it can dissolve properly into my mayonnaise. Blend. As you can see now that this is just one spoon, and as you can see it's already taking the, like, you can see that it's already becoming powdery. Can you just see that? It's not there yet because I'm going to, yeah, like, you need to feel it with your fingers. Yes, just try to feel it between your thumb and your index finger. You still notice some ground there. Well, yeah, so I'm almost there. I'd blend a little before the granules is not much anymore. It's already more powdery than granules, but you can sift it here if you want. Okay, so let's move right into the next thing. I'm going to transfer the mayonnaise into the mixer, add the powdery sugar or the powdered sugar I made into it, and then I'm going to mix that properly. Remember that scissors that is part of the things I'll be needing. I'm going to be using that to cut, sorry, I'm going to be using that to cut the paper of the milk. Yes, you can use anything you have to cut it, and if you have another milk that is not in this form, as long as it is evaporated milk, you can use it. All right, and then the sugar is to your taste. For this I use a quarter cup of sugar to 250 mils of mayonnaise. Okay, so I'm going to mix and mix. You're going to notice that when the sugar is properly incorporated into the mayonnaise, it has a lighter shade of color, and that reminds us of the process of making cakes. When you add the sugar to the butter and you mix and mix properly, the butter becomes lighter. So does the mayonnaise. You can see becomes very light. I had more and more and more and more. Actually, not more and more and more. Just the quarter cup I blended. I didn't sieve my sugar. I just use it like that. It's going to dissolve, but you can try to sieve it to get a better result. Yeah, just save it. Okay, can you see that it's lighter? Now it's time to add the milk when it is properly incorporated. When you're sure that you have gotten all the sugar in, then you add the milk and then you mix properly again, and it's well incorporated. You add the milk in portions because you don't want to add excessively that your salad cream becomes too fluid. So you need it to be like not too fluid and not too viscous. You know what I mean? It's just, you're going to see the final result. So not too fluid, not too viscous. So you have to add in portions. Even though I'm going to be adding all of that Olandia milk, I added in portions so that I don't add excess, because I don't have more mayonnaise to mix or to reduce the fluidity. And then once you are done adding the milk and all of that, then your salad cream is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and families, share with everybody around you. You can see that creamy, yummy, you know what I come on guys. So this is another tip for you. Eat will be in some weeks time, and you might decide to enjoy this with your family. As always, because it is homemade, it is extemporaneous, no preservative added, its might not last as much as the store-bought mayonnaise. So you need to preserve properly in the refrigerator and use within 2 or 3 weeks. Check out my video. I'm going to link it out in the description box below on how to make a mayonnaise, so that you can also get the tips on how to make a mayonnaise. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified when I post a video. Love you all.